attention, your old strategy is dead. Yes, your old communication skill set may have gotten you where you are today, but those same skill set will never take you where you want to go. Just words are not enough, just informing your audience is not enough. We have entered a new era of communication and attention. So let's check what is that. I remember a famous saying by Carl Bushner. He said, "People will forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel." When you go to a restaurant, it's not only about the food, but it's also about the hospitality, the ambience, the way the waiter or the manager made you feel. Am I right? Yes. So people are ready to pay premium price only because of the ambience, only because of the behavior, only because of the way the waiter and the manager made them feel. Similarly, same thing happens in public speaking as well. The new strategy for a speaker is to earn the right to be heard. Yes, to earn the right to be heard. What is earn the right? Why should I listen to you? What is there in you that I should listen to you? How are you different from a different speaker? How are you different from other speakers? What are your achievements? In you that I should listen to you. What is your credibility? Why should I listen to you? What is your experience, right? So that is the new strategy. If you don't have credibility, build it. If you don't have that experience, build it. Ask yourself this question today. Are you able to inspire your audience? That is the new strategy. Stay tuned for the next video.